हेलो फ्रेंड, स्टैंडर्ड 11 में पी सब्जेक्ट में आपका हॉकी चैप्टर चल रहा है और आज इनका लास्ट थर्ड पार्ट चैप्टर नंबर 12 हॉकी का हॉकी रूल्स। तो पेज नंबर 99 पर आपके रूल्स दिए हुए। तो सबसे पहले इसका गेम टाइमिंग 35 मिनट का 1 हाफ, 5 मिनट रेस्ट टाइम और 35 मिनट का सेकेंड हाफ, और आप चाहे तो 10 मिनट का भी रेस्ट टाइम रख सकते हैं। तो स्टार्टिंग of the game, before play commence of the ground of the center pass is decided by tossing a coin. टॉस जीतने वाले को सेंटर पास मिलता है या अपनी चॉइस का ग्राउंड मिलता है। एट द टाइम ऑफ स्टार्टिंग गेम विद द सेंटर पास ऑल द प्लेयर्स एक्सेप्ट द प्लेयर्स हु इज टू स्टार्ट द प्ले will take their respective position in their own half of the ground. The center pass is done either with a push or a hit, whichever is convenient to starter. He can pass the ball to any part of the ground that he likes. At the time of the center pass, all the players of the opposite team should be at least 5 meters away from the player who is executing the center pass. Only after the ball pass or hit has traveled the distance of 1 meter can any player except the one who has executed the center pass play the ball. Only after it has been played by another player, the player who has executed the center pass can play it again. After a goal has been scored, a player belonging to the team against whom a goal has been scored can start the game again through a center pass. Before beginning play in the second half of the game, both the teams exchange their side of the ground. A player from the team whose opposite team has started the game in the first half will start the game in the second half with a center pass. Substitution: there are 16 players in each team. 11 is a playing player and 5 is a substitute player. Number of substitutions can be done, but if a player has been sent out as punishment, he cannot be replaced by substitute. Goal: when a member of an attacking team hits a ball with his stick from the shooting circle while he is in defender half and send across the goal line and inside the goal post, the attacking team is said to have scored a goal. General rules of hockey: the ball can be played only with the flat side of the stick. When there is a player within a distance of 5 meters, no player will be hit the ball dangerously on it such a way that it will cause injury to another player. Next, no either player but the goalkeeper can stop or play that ball except with the hockey stick. Only the goalkeeper is allowed to stop the ball with any part of his body and even kicks the ball away. No player will be obstruct the opponent with his stick or any part of his body. He will not also come between the opponent and the ball or pass from between them. If during play the ball dishes against the referee or if the ball hit by player hits the goal post and returned to the ground, it will be still regarded as being in play. Free hit. Generally, if a rule is broken in any part of ground except the shooting circle, the party opposing the one that has committed the breach is given the chances of putting the ball in play against with the free hit executed from the post spot where the breach was committed. When a player executing a free hit, all the players in the opposite team are required to stand at least 5 meters away from the hitter. A ball is hit by the free hitter, he will not play the ball again until another player of any team plays it. While executing the free hit, the ball can be either pushed or hit. Push in. A player from the team opposing the team, the player who is responsible for sending the ball out will be given chance of put the ball again in play with push in at the place from when the ball goes in. At the time of push in, the player of the opposite team should be at least 5 meters away from the player who is executing the push in. Bully. The game is started again with the bully under the following circumstances. If the chances during the play, the ball is caught in the goalkeeper pad or any other player or the referee's clothes. When players of both the team commit a foul at the same time. When during the play ball is turned open and becomes necessary to take a handsball. When the game has to be stopped because of the serious injury caused to player during play. Under the above circumstances, the game is started again with a bully from the spot decided upon by the referee. The spot should be the 14.63 meter away from the back line. In this action, one player from each side stands facing the other in such a way that his right shoulder is turned towards the goal backline of his side with leg placed apart a shoulder with distance. The ball is placed on the ground between these two players, and the action of bully is executed when referee gives a signal. Misbehavior. If during the player is found the act in unsportsman, the like manners is playing violently, does not obey the decision of referee or uses abuse language of referee, punish him in the following way depending on the seriousness of his misbehavior. If the player is misbehaving for the first time and if his offense is not serious, the referee calls at caution him. Even after being thus cautioned, there is no improvement in the player's behavior. The referee wants by showing him the green card. If player misbehavior, if he is the serious nature, the referee shown him yellow card and asked him to leave the ground for some defined period. The power of deciding of seriousness of the misbehavior rests with the referee. A player who has been sent out of the ground as punishment cannot be replaced by the substitute. A player who has been sent out of the ground by the referee by showing him yellow card can return to the ground with the permission of the referee after completing the period of the punishment. In case of tie, if after the completion of both the halves of the match no goal has been scored by either team, or when both the teams score at equal number of points, it is said that there is a tie in the game for deciding the winner under these circumstances when after the tiebreaker rule is applied. The tie is not resolute. The winner cannot be decided. Each player of both the team is given alternately 5 penalty stroke under the sudden death rule. Whichever team succeeds in score and goal first will be declared the winner and game brought to an end. Penalty corner. The attacking team awarded a penalty corner to be executed from the spot at distance of 9 to 10 meters from the goal post behind the shooting circle area of the defending team under the following circumstances. If a foul is committed by the player of the defending team initially in the area between the backline of his side and the 20.90 meter line. When a defending player commits a foul in a shooting circle area. If a player from the defending team hits the ball and intentionally sends the ball beyond the backline, if foul is committed under the circumstances mentioned above, the penalty corner is awarded as described below. The penalty corner is executed by placing the ball on the backline 9 to 10 meter away from the goal post. While executing penalty corner, the ball can be hit or pushed. While the penalty corner is being executed, the player executing the penalty corner stand with his leg behind the back line and all the other players of the attacking line stand outside the shooting circle. When the penalty corner is being executed, the goalkeeper of the defending side of 4 other players of his team. 5 defenders in all stand behind the goal line or back line at a distance of 4.55 meter from the player executing the penalty corner, while the other players stand in the ground in the front part of the center line. When the ball hit or pushed by the player executing the penalty corner goes out of the shooting circle, the attacking player stops it and tries to hit into the goal after the bringing the into the circle, while he defending players try to stop the ball until the action of executing the penalty corner being player of neither penalty can either the prohibited area. The player who executes the penalty corner cannot play the ball again until after another player has played it. During the execution of the penalty corner, the defending team breaks a rule. The attacker is awarded another chances to take the penalty corner. However, in an attacker break a rule, the defending party will be awarded a free hit from outside the shooting circle. Penalty stroke. When the attacking team is about to hit the ball from the shooting circle with a view scoring a goal, if a player from the defending team break a rule and if he attack are unable to score a goal, and if the referee feels that the attacker would certainly have scored a goal, under the circumstance the attacking team is awarded a chance to take a penalty stroke. Also during action executing a penalty corner, if a defending team commits a foul initially and repeatedly, the attacking team awarded a chance to take a penalty corner. At the time of execution of the penalty corner, the goalkeeper stands steadily on his goal time. The rest his teammates stand behind the 20.90 meter long line on the side of center line, while one of the members of the attacking team stand near the penalty stroke points for the executing of penalty stroke. His other teammates also stand behind the nearby 20.90 meter line in the direction of the center line. The player executing by penalty stroke move one step forward and try to send the ball into the goal with a push, flick or scoop, he cannot hit the ball. If the ball crosses the goal line and enter the goal, the attacking team is awarded a goal. But if the goalkeeper steps the ball, play resumed by giving a free hit to the defending team to be executed from the outside the shooting circle. When a penalty stroke is announced, the watch showing the time of play is stopped and started again when the action of executing the penalty stroke being. Referee. There are two referees and one table official in a game of hockey. For two referees, each of who gives a decision about his half of the ground. The judge records the timing of the game by agreement and in coordination with each other. They also keep a record of goals scored and of situation. Each of them also maintain the record of the caution, warning, dismissal in his own half of the ground. थैंक यू. यहाँ पर आपके रूल्स पूरे होते हैं. आफ्टर देन MCQ नंबर 1, 2 और 3 जो मैंने यहाँ पर हाईलाइट किए हुए इनके आंसर बनते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.